Welcome dear students in course Determinant of Quality Life. Today we discuss the digital literacy in the topic Miscellaneous Determinant of Quality of Life. Content of these modules are Introduction, Digital Literacy and Improvement in Quality of Life, Basic Digital Skills, Overcoming Barrier of Digital Literacy, Benefit of Digital Literacy in India and Strengthening of Digital Literacy. This topic is under the Miscellaneous Determinant of Quality of Life on the Digital Literacy and Safety. Learning objective of these modules are the student will be able to identify the definition of digital literacy and its components. Students will be able to recall and list fundamental digital skills necessary for daily life. Student will be able to describe why digital literacy is crucial for improving the quality of life. Student will be able to identify and discuss common barriers individuals face in achieving digital literacy. Student will be able to execute basic digital tasks such as internet browsing and file management. Student will be able to propose a strategy to overcome specific barriers to digital literacy in a given context. Student will be able to analyze different programs aimed at enhancing digital literacy and their effectiveness. Student will be able to assess how digital literacy contribute to improving various aspects of life. A student will be able to develop recommendations for policymakers to strengthen digital literacy initiative in India. A student will be able to develop a comprehensive plan for implementing a digital literacy program tailored to a specific demographic or community. Introduction. Digital literacy refers to the ability to use and understand digital technology. It encompasses an individual's ability to assess, understand, and use information through various digital platforms. With the recent development of the internet and the digital environment, people's lives are rapidly changing because the use of digital devices provide opportunities for diverse experience. The ability to accurately utilize them is important for all ages group. In the era of the 4.0 industrial revolution and rapid digital transformation, digital literacy has become an essential competency that cannot be overlooked, particularly in the context of education and society. This is important not only for supporting the learning process in schools, but also for fostering more harmonious social interaction in society. Digital literacy bridges information gap and empowered individuals in various aspects of life. It impacts quality of life by enabling individuals to engage more effectively in the digital world, access information, and participate in online communication. Digital literacy. Digital literacy refers the ability to live in a network society with the knowledge and ability to perform desired tasks through digital devices. It involves the use of digital devices such as computers, smartphones, the internet and social media, as well as the ability to critically and creatively process information. Prior to the widespread use of digital devices, the use of technology and devices was important, but as devices become more common, the use of devices, users' perceptions and attitudes and approaches that allow individuals to operate conveniently, communication and problem in the digital environment. Digital literacy indicates the ability of individuals to use digital technology, communication, and media to assess, manage, integrate, evaluate, and create information effectively, ethically, and safely. UNESCO in 2018 defined digital literacy as a skills that is not limited to technical understanding but also includes the ability to think critically about the available digital information. In the beginning, digital literacy was limited to the ability to understand and use information in various formats delivered through computers. In the modern context, digital literacy also involves the ability to interact effectively in online environments, understand the social and ethical implication of digital action, and maintain cybersecurity. In the educational context, the ability plays a crucial role in enhancing the quality of teaching and learning processes, aligning with the paradigm shift in education in the digital era. A strong digital literacy among students enables them to be more adept at utilizing digital resources for learning, ultimately contributing to better academic outcome. Additionally, digital literacy contributes to the development of critical and collaborative thinking skills, which are essential for facing future challenges in the workforce and global society. The expanded concept of digital literacy has raised the possibility of social disparities in access and use of digital devices. And as the digital environment has changed rapidly, the digital divide between individual, household, and region has become a reality. In the three general types of the digital divide, the first generation information gap concept is divided into unequal access to information and communication technology. The second generation is the skill and the third generation is the concept of opportunity. In terms of use, it is divided into the quantitative gap and the qualitative gap. Such as digital gap inevitably exists for each social classes and a new digital environment. Inevitable creates a new gap, causing satisfaction of the digital gap. Therefore, policies and social supports for resolving the digital divide are continuously being developed. Digital literacy also plays a vital role in promoting social harmony amid the overwhelming flow of information on social media and digital platforms. The presence of digital technology has changed the way individuals interact with each other, with social media becoming a new public space that often creates challenges related to ethics and social norms. With the increasing use of social media, understanding digital ethics such as how to interact positively and avoid conflicts in the online world become crucial for maintaining social harmony. Digital literacy and improvement of quality of life are access to information and education. Digital literacy allows individuals to access a wealth of information online, including educational resources, new and current events. This can enhance learning opportunity and keep individuals informed about issues relevant to their lives. Improved communication and socialization. Digital literacy enables individuals to communicate effectively online, connect with others, and participate in social networks. This can help reduce social relations and foster a sense of community, especially beneficial in a rapidly changing digital world. Access to healthcare and health information. Digital literacy empowers individuals to access online health resources, find reliable information about health condition, and communicate with healthcare providers. This can lead to better health outcomes and more proactive approach to healthcare. Career opportunities and economic empowerment. In career opportunity, digital literacy skills are essential for many jobs and career paths. Individuals with digital literacy can leverage online platforms to find employment, learn new skills, and potentially start their own business. In access to civic engagement and participation, digital literacy enables individuals to participate in online civic activities, engage in discussion about important issues, and hold their representative accountable. This can foster more informal and engaged citizenry. Financial literacy and management. By financial literacy and management, digital literacy is crucial for managing finances online, assessing bank services, and understanding investment opportunities. This can help individuals improve their financial stability and reduce financial stress. Digital literacy improves the quality of life by mental health empowerment. Vulnerability of digital devices has a negative effect on communication, affecting the feeling of loneliness. Compared to adolescents and middle age, the elderly spend more time at home and less time connected with family and social network. So they spend relatively more time alone. To compensate loneliness, active participation in community or religious network is required. But loneliness caused by social distancing can cause other neuropsychiatric problems such as depression, anger, disorder, and suicide. The development of intervention programs that are accessible is more demanded than ever. Health management of the elderly using smartphone has many advantages. The smart wearable help promote health. Services that combine intelligent information technology such as AI, IoT, wearable devices, robot, and smart home services to some elderly living alone is changing the daily life of the elderly more safely and conveniently. Health management. Digital literacy improves the quality of life by health management. Digital technology are transforming healthcare, and public health system across the world, and they have a great potential to improve population and individuals' health and well-being. Technology has advanced in such a way that it has made it possible to extend the type of interaction available between the user and the medical provider or the healthcare systems. Obtaining health information and requesting appointment online, virtual visit, asynchronous digital messaging with healthcare professionals, health tracking, wearable and self-monitoring devices are also technologies available nowadays. These systems bring many advantages. They make it possible to scale information processing, administrative processes, and facilitate access to healthcare through virtual visit. Using a video or an online appointment app enable providers to serve hundreds of people that can be attended simultaneously, and travel can be avoided for a person appointment that do not require a physical examination or tests. The current media society is improving the quality of life while positively affecting mental and physical health management as the social network using the internet, smartphone and smart services are expanded regardless of age. Therefore, health management using smartphone has emerged as one of the bigger issues in the healthcare industry, and medical services and health management programs using this are actively being developed in clinical field. Digital literacy improvement in quality of life by increased safety, by enhanced learning. It empowers individuals to access information, learn new skills and participate in online learning communities. By improved communication, it enables effective communication and collaboration with others online. By greater creativity, it allows individuals to explore and express themselves through various digital platforms. By embracing digital literacy and prioritizing online safety, individuals can harness the benefits of the digital world while minimizing the risk, ultimately enhancing their quality of life. By social satisfaction, as access to various social activities and information has become digitalized, individuals with lower digital literacy engaged in less social activities, which leads to reduced life satisfaction. People with higher digital literacy have access to more diverse information with the ability to engage in social communication, offering significant psychological benefits, thus potentially boosting their overall life satisfaction. Now we will discuss about basic digital skills. Digital skills also have different degree of complexity. According to the International Telecommunication Union, digital skills exist only a continuum ranging from basic to intermediate to advanced. Basic digital skills comprise the effective use of hardware, example, typing or operating touch screen technology, software, example, word processing, organizing files on laptop and managing privacy setting on mobile phone, and internet, ICT tasks, example, emailing, browsing the internet or completing an online form. Intermediate digital skills comprise the ability to critically evaluate technology or create content. They are characterized as job-ready skills and include desktop publishing, digital graphic design, and digital marketing. Specialists use advanced digital skills in ICT professions such as computer programming and network management. Many technology sector jobs now require advanced digital skills related to such innovation as artificial intelligence, big data, natural language processing, cyber security, the Internet of Things, software development and digital entrepreneurship. Overcoming barrier of digital literacy. Digital literacy, like other competencies, should start at school, but many education systems are not equipped to teach children these skills because they lack a proper infrastructure, technological equipment, teacher training, curriculum or learning benchmark. This gap is further pronounced in developing countries. The Indian government plays a crucial role in promoting digital literacy through various initiatives and schemes focusing on empowering citizens, especially in rural areas with digital skills. Key initiatives and programs are Pradhan Mantri Gramin Digital Saksharta Abhiyan, PM ISHA, PMG Diksha. This scheme focuses on digital literacy in rural area with a target of covering 60 million households. National Digital Literacy Mission, NDLM. This mission aims to impart digital literacy training to at least one person per household in select states and union territories. Digital Saksharta Abhiyan, DISHA. This initiative partners with various stakeholders to promote skill development and digital literacy. Digital India Program. This flagship program aims to transform India into digitally empowered society and knowledge economy. eShram Portal. This portal helps our unorganized sector workers access government scheme and services online. SAVAM. The initiative provides online education and training through MOOCs. Benefit of digital literacy in India. First, bridging the gender gap. Equipping women with digital skills can increase their participation in workforce and decision-making processes. Boosting the digital economy. A digital literate population fosters innovation, entrepreneurship, and participation in the growing digital marketplace. Socio-economic benefit. Digital literacy in India empowers individuals to access government services, online education, and employment opportunities. Empowering citizens. Digital literacy skills enables individuals to access information, engage in civic discourse, and hold authorities accountable. Strengthening of digital literacy. By technical proficiency, understanding how to use device, navigate software, and access the internet. By critical thinking, evaluating information sources, recognizing biases, and verifying facts. By social awareness, understanding online etiquette, respecting privacy, and recognizing cyberbullying. By adaptive skills, learning new technologies, troubleshooting problems, and adapting to changing online environments. By protecting, how you protect yourself online. By strong password, create unique complex password and use two-factor authentication. By careful about sharing, be careful about sharing sensitive information, that is SSN, bank detail online. Verify information, check sources, use fact-checking website, and be wary of misinformation. By use safe online space, by cautious about the website you visit and the apps you download. By report cyberbullying. If you experience or witness cyberbullying, report it to platform administration or relevant authorities. By recognize scam tactics, be wary of suspicious email, pop-up ads, or unsolicited messages asking for personal information. By report suspicious activity. If you encounter a scam or cyberbullying, report it to the platform or relevant authorities. By block and unfriend. If you are targeted by bully, block their access and report their behavior. By avoiding misinformation and disinformation and maintaining skepticism. First and foremost, maintain healthy skepticism of information consumed online. Training on wide range of abilities. By basic computer operation, understanding hardware and software, file management, and basic application. By information literacy, evaluate online information by accuracy and credibility. By cyber security, protecting oneself from online threats like phishing scam, and malware. By communication and collaboration, using online tools for communication, collaboration, and participation in online communities. By problem solving, applying critical thinking skills to solve problems using digital tools. Strategy for digital literacy in India. Focus on inclusion. Develop programs in local languages and cater to individuals of all ages and abilities, addressing existing educational disparities. By infrastructure development, improving digital infrastructure, especially in rural areas, is essential for enhancing digital literacy in India. This includes expanding internet connectivity, establishing digital learning centers, and providing access to affordable devices. By leveraging technology, utilize online learning platforms, mobile applications, and gamified learning to make digital literacy training accessible and engaging. By empowering educators, implementing widespread education and awareness programs is crucial for promoting digital literacy. These programs should target various demographics, including students, professionals, and senior citizens, and focus on the practical skills and online safety. Also, it is important to train the teacher and educators to integrate digital tools and online resources into their curriculum effectively. By integration into school curriculum, integrating digital literacy into the school curriculum ensures that children are equipped with essential digital skills from an early age. This includes teaching coding, internet safety, and critical thinking about online contents. By public-private partnership, forge collaboration between governments, NGOs, and private companies to share resources and expertise will promote the reach of digital literacy program even further. By raising awareness, run targeted campaigns to increase public awareness about the importance of digital literacy and encourage participation in training programs. By community-based learning, organize workshops and training sessions in local communities, leveraging community centers and liberate for wider reach. Tips of these modules are: understand the relevance of digital literacy in modern society. They recognize the shift from traditional to digital modes of communication and work. They learn the core components: assessing, evaluating, creating and communicating information using digital tools. Stay updated with evolving digital technology. Explore how digital skills improve access to healthcare, education and employment. Encourage digital inclusion with underrepresented communities. Start with simple tasks like sending emails, using search engine and navigating website. Practice regularity to build confidence. Identify common barriers: lack of infrastructure, affordability, language and skills. Promote community training program and inclusive digital content. Support initiatives like Digital India, PMG Disha and e-governance. Promote digital education in rural and urban areas like engage in lifelong digital learning. Encourage public-private partnership to fund and special digital literacy program. Take-home messages of these modules are: digital literacy is essential in 21st century, acting as a foundation for education, employment and personal growth in an increasing digital world. Being digitally literate means more than just using a smartphone. It involves critical thinking, problem solving and responsible use of digital platforms. Digital literacy enhances quality of life by enabling better access to services, information and opportunities. Mastering basic digital skills is the first step toward becoming an empowered, self-reliant digital citizen. Bridging the digital divide requires collective effort to remove social, economic, and educational barriers. In India, digital literacy is a powerful enabler for economic growth, social inclusion, and transparent governance. Strengthening digital literacy means building a resilient, tech-savvy society ready for future challenges. Thank you.